Read all files in directory and subdirectories in Python. I'm trying to translate this bash line in Python. The result is to show all the videos apps installed in an Ubuntu system. Read all the desktop files in directory. Filter the strings video player to find the video applications. Filter the string not display equals true and audio to not show audio players and no GUI apps. The result I would like to have is, for example, so, I've tried this code. But I've a problem with the recursive files. How can I fix it? Thanks.
Looks like you are doing os.walk loop incorrectly. There is no need for nested dir loop. Please refer to Python manual for the correct example. This URL.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.